I was tired all the time. Like, I was only 20 and I really thought that it was just part of the getting older that everybody talks about. My husband had said, like, there's no way you should be this tired. You shouldn't feel bad all the time. I felt like there was a better way, like it didn't have to be that way, but I didn't know any different until Thrive. Day 1 and day 2, it was pretty much normal. I mean, I felt a little better, but I thought it was coincidence. But by day 3, I felt incredible and knew that I couldn't go without it. My mom had called and I was like cleaning the house like crazy at 10 o'clock in the morning. She's like, "What's wrong with you? You're normally drinking coffee, sitting on the couch complaining right now. Like, what is going on?" It was a huge change, and I always say I actually started living my life instead of just existing in it. I mean, if you are tired and you're not feeling good and you are looking for something more, what do you have to lose? Worst case scenario, you feel exactly how you feel right now, and best case scenario, it changes absolutely everything for you.